Introduction. Background. The importance of teaching aids in modern physics education. Research objective. Developing an experimental teaching aid for blackbody radiation. Method. Developmental research using the 4D model. Define, design, develop, and disseminate.
Data analysis and presentation. Table 1. Results of the validation of teaching aids, laboratory tools, and perception instruments. Advantage. Data is presented in a structured manner with clear categories. Percentage assessment from 3 validators are displayed, showing consistency. Assessment criteria, excellent, good, are included for easier interpretation. Disadvantage, not detailed explanation of the CVA content validity index value, not interpretation of the reliability value obtained. Analysis. A CVI value of 1 indicates excellent content validity. High reliability greater than 0.99 shows good internal consistency. High assessment percentage indicate the good quality of the teaching aids.
Data analysis and presentation. Figure 2. Graph showing the relationship between radiation intensity and blackbody temperature. Advantage. The x-axis or voltage and y-axis or radiation temperature are clearly labeled including units. A linear trend line is displayed showing a positive relationship. Disadvantage. No explanation of the meaning of the trend line and r to the power of 2 value. Limited data range 290 until 330 Kelvin may not represent the entire phenomenon. Analysis. The positive linear relationship is consistent with Stefan Boltzmann law. R to the power of 2 equals 0.8426 indicates a fairly strong correlation, but some variability remains unexplained. An explanation is needed for why voltage is used as a proxy for radiation intensity.
Data analysis and presentation of Figure 3. Bar chart of participant perception. Advantage. Percentage for each indicator are clearly displayed. Differences between perception of the teaching aids and laboratory tools. Disadvantage. No explanation of the meaning of each indicator 1 to 10. The y-axis does not start at 0, which could lead to mixed visual interpretation. Analysis. Participant perception are generally positive. Laboratory tools received slightly higher ratings than the teaching aids. Future explanation is needed about the evaluated indicator.
Statistical methods. Validity. Use of the content validity ratio or CVR and content validity index CVI. CVR measures validator consensus. CVI measures the overall validity of the instrument. Reliability. Comparison of calculated R values with the table R values. This method is shadable for assessing the internal consistency of the instrument. Shadability. The statistical methods are appropriate for validating educational research instruments. However, inferential statistical analysis for experimental data is not well explained.
Strength of the research. validity and reliability. The teaching aids and laboratory tools are proven to have high validity and reliability, indicates the quality of the instrument for use in learning. Consistency with theory. The experimental result aligned with Stefan Boltzmann law demonstrates that the teaching aids can accurately represent physical phenomena. Participant perception. Positive perception of the teaching aids and laboratory tools suggests potential acceptance and effectiveness in learning use. Innovation, development of cost-effective and user-friendly teaching aids enables the demonstration of modern physics concepts that were previously difficult to.
Weaknesses of the research. 1. Experimental procedure. Lack of the detailed explanation about the experimental data collection procedure. This could affect the repeatability of the research. 2. Statistical analysis. No advanced statistical analysis for the experiment result limits the strength of the inference that can be drawn from the data. 3. Measurement limitation. No discussion of the potential biases or limitation in the measurements. There may be factors influencing the results that were not considered. 4. Generalization. The limit sample size and experimental condition restrict generation to a broader context.
Data interpretation. Authors' interpretation. The teaching aids can effectively demonstrate the concept of black body radiation. The laboratory tool, based on modified free inquiry, improve concept understanding. Alternative interpretation. Further testing is needed with varying experimental conditions to ensure robustness. Other factors, such as participants' prior knowledge, may affect the result. Evaluation of conclusions. The conclusions are generally supported by the presented data. However, generalization is limited to the specific experimental condition in the study. Caution is needed when extrapolating the results to broader educational contexts.
Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The teaching aids are valid, reliable, and effective for demonstrating the concept of black body radiation. Participants have a positive perception of both the teaching aids and laboratory tools. The modified free inquiry approach has the potential to enhance the understanding of modern physics concepts. Recommendation: further testing with large samples and varied experimental conditions, more in-depth statistical analysis to strengthen the conclusion, longitudinal studies to assess the long-term impact of using the teaching aids, and the last, exploration of the use of teaching aids in different learning contexts.
That's the explanation from our group. More or less, please forgive.
Thank you.